Morning. You know, I never ever went fishing and got mad because I didn't catch any fish. Almost never. You see, a couple weeks ago, me and my son woke up early to come out here, and I was excited because it was just been having bad luck all season on this lake, Lake Lewisville, and I just felt that that was the day. Actually, I was going to be able to show y'all how to clean it and cook it, and that didn't happen. And that was the main goal. And I left pretty mad, to be honest. And that was the first time ever I've been mad because I didn't catch fish. See, that's not the point. And yesterday when I went fishing with my friend, he reminded me that fishing, when you go fishing, catching a fish, that's the bonus. You understand? It's just about being out here. It's just relaxing, and you know, catching a fish is a bonus. And we had a great day yesterday. It was real pretty. I didn't catch nothing, but I missed a whole bunch of bites. He caught, you know, 2 small catfish in a drum. We didn't get skunked. Middle of July, Texas, it's hot. The water was extremely shallow, but there's just some good views, nice relaxing water sound as it runs down the stream. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know, don't forget, just have a good time. It ain't always about catching fish, you know what I mean? Listen guys, I'm gonna show you some footage of that video from yesterday. Don't forget, if you want to show some support, hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. It goes a long way for me, and I appreciate it. My boy caught the first fish.
Yes, sir.
We out here at Lake Lewisville Dam. They ain't got the big one flowing. We're fishing down here right now. They got the side one open. It is packed on that side. He did? Let's go see. Take a walk. Probably walk down that river. It'd be nice if we could go on that side, but they got it closed right now. Came from there, pretty nice little hike. Came up on Redbud Camping Ground area. Pretty out here. We're on the riverside of the Lake Lewisville Dam, trying to find us some fish. Let's go see what they're doing. I didn't think there'd be people way out here, but man, I was wrong. where that guy's at. Well, we've been out here trying to catch these fish, and they've been drive-bying on us, hitting it and going and not taking it. What are we fishing with? Shad, worms, chicken liver, shrimp, and we're still trying to land them. My buddy did catch 3 though when we got to the dam, so that counts. We didn't get skunked. But I don't know if you can hear.
That water is just so relaxed.
That's a good day.